Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing the used vehicles and the new vehicles, and if it's how much saving we would to buy if we buy a used vehicle over the new vehicle. So as you can see right here, these vehicles are all inventory vehicles. So this is the Model Y right here, and as you can see, not all Model Ys qualify for the tax credit, and the one that do, Tesla made it easy for us. They put it here for us to see exactly here. So like I said in my previous video, like the ones that are stealth gray, the newer colors most likely will qualify, and the older ones will not. So as you can see right here, with the after tax credit, you get $32,970 for this is for the rear wheel drive. All right, so let's go down and see the long range. So what's the cheapest long range we can purchase today? All right, so going down quite a bit. Where is it? All right, so all the way down here. So this is regular price is $48,990, and regular price is sale price is $40,090, and after the tax credit has come out to be $36,590. So about $4,000 difference between the rear wheel drive and the long range, right? So this is the ultra red one. So if anyone were to buy, would get an ultra red, but this is the standard one. So let's check out the used vehicle. Okay, so this is a brand new vehicle, right? So 0 miles on it. So let's go to the Model Y used vehicle and see how much it is. So they do have these rear wheel drive as well too, but you know, cheaper, $29,000, but there's no tax credit. There would be tax credit if it's like $25,000 or less, but in this case, there's no such thing. There's like $29,000, $30,000. So the closest one that we can find for the Model Y long range, right here, it's $31,100, and this one doesn't qualify for the tax credit. So 36,000 something, 36,590. And then what, 31? So you're looking at about 5,000 of savings. But think about this. The brand new cars has 0 miles, and then the warranty for the next 4 years. This one, you save 4,000, and it has almost 50,000 miles, right? So you think about it, and it's what, like it's 3 years, 3 models prior. So the technology is not going to be as good. So is it worth the saving to get the used vehicle? Even though if you were to buy a used vehicle from Tesla, it does come with 1 additional year or 10,000 miles. But in my opinion, if you're in the market for Tesla, go with the new one. All right, unless you can find one that are under $25,000, and then it will qualify for the used credit for $4,000 and knock it down to like what, 21,000. Then it makes sense to get a used one. But right now, look at the new ones. Right? Why would you want to buy a used one when you can buy a new one, better colored, probably like, you know, way better than the used one, right? But if you don't want to get the Model Y, you can wait and get the Model 3, the refresh. You know, order right now, or if you like the performance Model 3, which will be coming out pretty soon, because right now they only have the models, the rear wheel drive or the long range for the Model 3. Okay. This is the steel, the old style. Anytime when it's in inventory, you might be able to get a new one, but you have to go to your service center and you have to talk to one of the sales rep over there and see, because I believe Tesla do have 1 or 2 new Model 3 on the lot at the service center or at the showroom over there. Talk to them. If they do, you know, you might be able to purchase a new one over there too. So again, if you make the purchase before, because Tesla is going to increase the price. Okay, we all know that, right? So starting April 1st, all the prices will be increased. So again, this give you more incentive to buy the vehicle now, and then, or if you buy it from the inventory, you get more savings. And then it says right here, price will increase. And Tesla did that in, I think, in March, and they do another one. So pretty close back to back in increase. And right now you get free 5,000 mile supercharging too, which is good. So yeah, but that's pretty much about this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding buying a used one or new one, also if you're gonna buy a vehicle, make sure you check with your local credit unions, or you can pretty much find one online. Not very hard to join. It might take a little bit of time, but you know, in the end, you will save a lot more than going through with the Tesla financing. You know, usually they outsource it to. I thought when I first bought my car it was through Tesla, but they outsourced to Wells Fargo at a higher rate than if you were to go with the local credit union. All right, so that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, be safe.